Here's your requested content. GE GUD27ESSMWW Troubleshooting, Quick Fixes and Tips. To troubleshoot the GE GUD27ESSMWW, first check the power supply and ensure the machine is properly plugged in. Next, verify that the circuit breaker has not tripped. The GE GUD27ESSMWW is a popular washer-dryer combo known for its efficiency and compact design. Homeowners appreciate its space-saving features, making it ideal for small apartments or laundry rooms. Despite its reliability, users may occasionally encounter issues that require troubleshooting. Common problems include power supply issues, water drainage problems, and unusual noises during operation. Properly identifying and addressing these issues can extend the lifespan of your appliance. Regular maintenance and timely repairs ensure optimal performance, preventing minor problems from escalating into major repairs. Understanding the basics of troubleshooting can save time and money. GE GUD27ESSMWW Common Issues. The GE GUD27ESSMWW is a reliable appliance, yet users might face some common issues. Understanding these can help you troubleshoot effectively. 1. Power problems. 2. Temperature fluctuations. Checks. When troubleshooting the GE GUD27ESSMWW, begin with initial checks. This ensures that basic issues are not overlooked. Follow these simple steps to get started. 1. Inspect connections. 2. Verify settings. GE GUD27ESSMWW error codes. Error codes on the GE GUD27ESSMWW washer can be confusing, but they can help you diagnose problems quickly. Understanding these codes saves time and effort. Below, we will break down the common error codes. 1. Understanding codes. 2. Common error codes. GE GUD27ESSMWW Quick Fixes. Having trouble with your GE GUD27ESSMWW? Don't worry, here are some quick fixes to get your appliance back on track. Follow these simple steps to troubleshoot common issues. 1. Resetting the unit. 2. Cleaning filters. GE GUD27ESSMWW Advanced Troubleshooting. Advanced troubleshooting helps fix persistent issues with your GE GUD27ESSMWW. This guide covers thermostat and sensor problems. 1. Thermostat issues, sensor malfunctions. GE GUD27ESSMWW Maintenance Tips. Maintaining your GE GUD27ESSMWW washer-dryer combo is crucial. It helps extend its lifespan and ensures peak performance. Follow these maintenance tips for optimal results. 1. Regular cleaning. 2. Scheduled inspections. GE GUD27ESSMWW When to call a professional. Troubleshooting your GE GUD27ESSMWW can be straightforward, but sometimes problems arise that require expert help. Knowing when to call a professional can save you time and money. Here's what you need to know. 1. Identifying complex problems. 2. Finding a reliable technician. GE GUD27ESSMWW Preventative Measures. To ensure your GE GUD27ESSMWW washer and dryer unit runs smoothly, take some simple preventative measures. Proper care can extend the life of your appliance and reduce the need for repairs. Below are some key practices to help you maintain your unit. 1. Proper installation. 2. Usage best practices. Frequently asked questions about GE GUD27ESSMWW. How do I reset my GUD27ESSMWW? To reset your GUD27ESSMWW, press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. Why is my GUD27ESSMWW not heating? Your GUD27ESSMWW may not heat due to a faulty thermostat or heating element. How to fix GUD27ESSMWW error codes. Refer to the user manual for specific error code solutions. Most issues resolve with a reset. What causes GUD27ESSMWW to leak water? Leaking can result from a damaged seal, loose connection, or clogged hose. How to clean GUD27ESSMWW filter. Remove the filter and rinse it under warm water. Ensure it's completely dry before reinstallation. A conclusion about GE GUD27. Fixing your GE GUD27ESSMWW can be straightforward with these troubleshooting tips. Always start with simple checks first. Ensure connections are secure and settings are correct. If problems persist, consult your user manual or contact customer support. Regular maintenance can prevent future issues and extend the lifespan of your appliance. Let me know if you need any modifications.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit hellotroubleshooting.com.